So I was a ski bum the winter of '69, '70. I had just gotten out of the service, and it was a great little lodge up in Mount Snow. And I was dating one of the desk clerks in the lodge, and she really loved the song Mr. Bojangles. So I went out and bought the album, and taught myself how to play Mr. Bojangles. And it's a really pretty tune. I knew a man, Bojangles, and he danced for you. Worn out shoes, etc., etc. So, but that was the only song I ever listened to on that whole album. But I taught myself how to play it. I pulled the album out a couple, I don't know, 2 years ago maybe, and listened to the other songs on the album, and picked this one up, which is, I think, an even prettier tune. Oh, and so my girlfriend from my ski bum days will be married 49 years next month. Little bird, come sit upon my windowsill. Sat there through the falling rain. I watched that little bird upon my windowsill. Saw my thoughts of you go by again. The picture of my face reflected on the pain. Is it tears or is it rain? Remember how we talked before we said goodbye. Too young to know the world outside our door. We laughed and said that love was free like birds fly the wind. Rainy days make me think of you once more. The picture of my face reflected on the pain. Is it tears or is it rain? Regrets about the past, see how young we were. The world was love and time was but a thought. Many things go many ways, many times but once. Till life is past and your love is but a thought. The picture of my face reflected on the pain. Is it tears or is it rain? My thoughts still coming back, I wonder how you look. I wonder if you've seen that little bird